Today's day 4 of 10 days of Easter. Today I'm making stuffed pecan brie rolls. First I'm going to do some prep work, so on my cutting board I have 1 wheel of brie and I'm going to peel off the rind. Next I'm going to cut the brie into 12 pieces. Next I'm going to make the topping, so in my saucepan I have 4 tablespoons of butter. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of brown sugar, then 1 tablespoon of corn syrup. Next I'm going to cook this on the stove at medium heat until everything is melted. Now that everything is melted, I'm going to take it off the heat and set it aside. Now I have a pack of Hawaiian rolls on a lined cookie sheet. I'm using the back of a wooden spoon to poke holes in each Hawaiian roll. Next I'm going to add a piece of brie cheese into each Hawaiian roll. Next I'm going to sprinkle some chopped pecans. Next I'm going to drizzle the brown sugar butter topping and then bake this at 350 for 12 minutes. Here's an up-close look of the stuffed pecan brie rolls.